Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's gonna be get ready with me, also trying new Fenty Beauty concealer and powder. And if you are new here, my name is Chasiri, or Chat for short. If you watch my previous video, you will know that I am traveling to USA, and I am actually in USA right now, and the back that you see is where I will be staying for 6 weeks. So it's on my own home, and I did not have my ring light with me. That's why I am depending on a natural light in front of me, which I just hope is gonna be good. Let's prime my face. My hair is still a little bit wet, so just ignore that. So I'm gonna start off with Fresh Vitamin Nectar Glow Water. The bottle just so been through a lot from traveling. So along with the concealer and powder, I also picked out the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. I actually never used their primer before until now, and I heard this is like lotion-ish, so it would be nice for this kind of weather. Just gonna put this all over my face. Okay, primer is on, and now for the foundation, I will be going with the Fenty Beauty as well. This is from the first launch, so I know that they extend this shade range to 10 more shades, which is really wonderful. And this is in 320. It's a little bit too orange for me, so I'm gonna be mixing in with NYX color correcting liquid in blue, and a little bit of the green one as well. And I will do this off camera, and I will be right back. Hi baby. So I did not have their first launch sponge. I just used a normal sponge from Real Technique, but I did picked up their little precision makeup sponge duo. They are already wet, so they're a little bit bigger and they're different. This one look a little bit like the Real Technique that I have, and this one is just different. I have never seen it before, and it's like different texture, like maybe a microfiber. I also picked up the concealer brush, which is $26. And for the concealer itself is also $26. I picked up the shade 310. So I'm gonna use the brush on one side and the sponge on the other side. I really like the applicator on this, so I'm just gonna start with this amount and see from there. The concealer is really creamy and thick, but like not too thick. I like that. This brush is synthetic brush, which I think is pricey for synthetic brush. I don't know, I still like to use sponge better. Just feel like it's faster. And for the powder, I picked up the shade called Honey. This one is $32, but it comes with 28 grams, which is pretty decent amount. And I want to show you the color of the Honey. I think this is too dark to go for my under eye area. They don't have shade Banana when I was picking up this stuff, so I think I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier to set my under eye area, and then use this one to go all over my face. I also picked up the powder brush, and this one is $34, which is more expensive than the powder itself. Why? And I'm just gonna dust this around the edges of my face. It smells so nice, like the rest of their product. So looking up close, I see a little bit, just a little bit creasing on the side with the sponge and a little bit less on the side with the brush. I have no idea why. My makeup looks really good in the monitor. And the creasing earlier that I saw is kind of like gone. This is how it looks close up. Yeah, I do like the concealer and the powder. I don't, well, maybe if I have a chance I will pick up the banana shade and I want to try that on my under eye area. But yeah, I like it. So my final thought about the Fenty products, I do like the primer. I think it's great for winter and for someone who has the dry skin. Concealer, I like it. I think it's great that they have many shades, and I like the applicator, I like the formula, I like the blendability. There's nothing I don't like about this. The powder, I like it, but I did not use on my under eye area, so I don't know if it will perform differently, but on other part of my face I think it's great, so I like this. But I will try the banana shade when I have a chance. For the brushes and sponges, I like this a lot, but I think it's too expensive. $34 just doesn't make sense. It's not something that you can't live with. But if you are someone who like Fenty and like you like to collect the stuff, this is nice. Concealer brush. I personally don't use the brush for concealer for under my eyes. I just like sponge. So, but I think this is great. But again, I think it's really pricey, so it's not necessary. And for these two, still not necessary. I can do with the Real Technique beauty sponge, and this was like $4. It's just $18. So yeah. And I hope you guys enjoy watching my video today. Let me know what you guys think about my makeup look, or you know, if you like any of the new Fenty products, let me know in the comment down below. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.